he has now sent a letter to the election commissioner asking him to waive and to permit us to do the session. So he's awaiting his written response.
Yeah.
So I suggest you just leave your number with the data entry operator, whoever is there.
Okay.
And when we restart, we'll give you a call and take you on a priority.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you, Dr. Aira. Yeah, I spoke to collector also. She said required. I spoke to collector also. She said the permission is required from the election commission. But since you have already spoken, I think it's good that you have already. I know you are very cooperative. Your staff is very good, and they were cooperative. They made us sit also. All those arrangements were being done, and last minute, this is what we are facing.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you, Dr. Aira. Okay, but just give the priority to all those who came today. Yeah.
Tell her to leave this message to them. So
Yeah, yes. Dr. Aira, please pass on this message to the staff also.
Yes, I told them.
We have come here to get our vaccination done of COVID-19. And there are more than 40 people here. Okay. So please ask the staff is ready to give. Only thing is that they require permission from you. So please, yeah, 40, 50.
You have received a permission, but didn't you need the notice?
Yes, all people are here. Staff is
Did you
really.
need the notice? Do you know why we are not giving?
See, it has nothing to do with elections. COVID, what is more important is COVID thing. Vaccination of COVID. But
Listen.
no, sorry.
I am not the election commissioner.
Yeah.
This has been held in abeyance by the election commissioner.
So we would like to speak to election commissioner also.
By all means,
Yeah.
you can call him up. I don't have his number. You will have to find it. We have received a letter, an NOC order from the election commissioner. We are all ready, my dear.
Yes, I know all of you are ready. But then see, so 40, 50 elderly people are here. 40, 50 elderly people have gathered. They were standing in the hot sun. In the hot.
Listen to me 1 minute.
Yeah.
Listen to me. I am only the vaccinator. The commission giving or not giving is not driven by me. We are all ready. The DIO, who is the district immunization officer, and the collector, Madam Jyoti Kumari, the collector, are speaking to the election commissioner. Till they give me the NOC permission, I cannot start.
So can you?
may want the vaccine. I agree with you, but this is not between you or me. So don't get excited over me. I should not get excited about this.
No, doctor, not at all. Not at all. We are not excited on you. We know because your staff. No, your staff.
More than 8,000 people.
Yes,
okay?
doctor.
I am
What?
very keen to continue the work.
Yeah, I understand.
As soon as the permission comes, my staff is ready.
Okay.
So when you say like this,
No.
you are not giving.
I said your staff is ready. I said your staff
Do
is
you know
ready.
that last night at
Yeah,
11 o'clock
I'm not putting him. I'm saying just give the permission. That's what I said. And your staff is ready. Okay, I'll speak to collector then. I'll speak to collector.
Awaiting, yes. You can
I'll speak. Yeah. आज आम्ही हांगा मोती डोंगरावर कोविडशिल्डचे इंजेक्शन घेवपाक सगळे सिनियर सिटीजन जमलेले आसा आनी हांगा येवन पळयता तर एक बोर्ड आसा ड्यू टू कोड ऑफ कंडक्ट vaccination will not be given unless and until they receive further intimation. Now, my question to the government is, and to the election commissioner, what the hospital and the COVID vaccine has to do with the election code? People are dying in hundreds. Senior people were waiting in the hot sun for hours together, and there were not few people. Staff is willing to give. I really salute the staff because they made all of us sit in the. They were standing in the hot sun. They made us sit in the shadow. They just kept us chairs. All the arrangement was done. Doctors are willing, but the permission has to be taken from the election commission. What it has to do with the election commission? Is the election commission has some intention, some hidden intention? Do they want to give the certificate with the photograph of Mr. Modi? Is it because they have not prepared with those photographs on the certificates that they are postponing all these things? What about the people who are dying in thousands everywhere? What it has to do with the COVID shield injection? Senior people, they should have seen to it that the first vaccination is more important than the election. Instead of giving more importance to the senior citizen and to the people of Goa, and our election commissioner has given sent a notice saying that till further instructions, COVID shield injection will not be given. What it has to do with the election? So I condemn this in strong words. I express the feelings of all the senior citizens who are here and I really appreciate the job of the staff, of all the office people, doctors and sisters, and even the security people, because they have allowed us to come inside and sit. For a long time, they did not. Now it's not a mistake of the security person, because instructions were accordingly given. Notice was put on the board. If at all they had to send a notice or anything like that, they should have published in the papers, in all the local papers. Hello, madam. We are at Moti Dongar. I'm a senior citizen. I'm Beena S. Naik, President of Mahila Congress, Goa Pradesh Congress.
I have seen your message.
I have not messaged you
I have
anything.
seen your message.
I have not messaged anything
You
to
have
you.
not messaged me?
No. And madam, there are 20-30 people who had gathered right from morning. There were many. They were standing in the hot sun for a long time. And all the doctors and everyone is willing to give the injection, vaccination. But only they require the permission from you. That's what they said. So,
You are doctor?
no, I'm not a doctor. I'm a senior citizen. And I'm also a president of Goa Pradesh Mahila Congress, and wife of a member of parliament, ex-member of
Alright.
parliament. So madam, see, then from whom? If not from you, then from whom?
It has to come
Why
from the
TB
state
hospital
election commission. It has to
vaccination?
come from the state election commission. Okay?
Now, madam, so what it has to do with state election commission? I don't understand. When this COVID is at surge, and so many people are dying in Marga as well as in other places of Goa, and people, senior citizens above 60, 65, they have gathered here. They were standing in the hot sun for a long time, but just because of the permission we have to take the permission of the election commission. We are not here contesting anything. So, madam, I think you should take the initiative, and madam, you should take the initiative and just open it, because staff is willing, everything. They are very cooperative. Staff is very cooperative. Doctors are cooperative, but only permission they require.
I know about this. I have informed the secretary. Okay, he is getting back to us.
So, how much time should we wait here?
Yes,
For how long we should wait here?
I thought that.
So, madam, on your own, you can just request them, ask them immediately. See, we want efficient. I know that you are an efficient officer, so please see that. Don't make the senior citizen wait in the hot sun. If anything goes wrong, then whom should we blame? What did I tell you?
Guilherme is here.